Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property Group, and today we're going to do a video walkthrough of the Bellini floor plan. The Bellini is part of the Terrace line of condos at many of Lennars Southwest Florida's communities. Let's walk inside and take a look at this beautiful condo. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, right about 1,200 square foot. And as you come into the condo, directly to the right side, you're going to see the master suite, big enough to fit a nice king-size bed and some additional furniture here. And that leads into the his and hers closets. You have the single sink over here in the bathroom, the master bath, the stand-alone shower, and the commode. And now coming back out into the foyer area, we're gonna jut across, and you're gonna have the guest bedroom directly across from the master. And the guest room has a bifold closet door here. And that's piggybacked right off of the guest bathroom here, again with the single sink, commode, and in this case you have a combination tub and shower. Now back in the entry type hallway here, this is where you're going to have your laundry facility. So you have a full size washer, dryer, and cabinetry. And this opens up into a nice great room style of design here. You've got your living space here, your kitchen, your eat-in kitchen area, and then you have this flex type space here. This space here was originally designed to be a dining room. Many owners have converted it to a office slash third sleeping area. This one furnished with a Murphy bed, as you can see here. And then coming into the kitchen, all of Lennar's Terrace condos come with a full appliance package, stainless appliance package, granite countertops, tile in all the main areas, carpet in the bedrooms. Awesome, great room design here on the Bellini condo. And last but not least, you have a screened-in lanai area out back. And this gives you the beautiful views, in this case, of Treviso Bay in Naples, where we are today filming this Bellini floor plan. If you're interested in this terrace condo, this floor plan, or any of the number of floor plans available by Lennar, you can reach us at all the contact information below. We are your Lennar experts, and we'll be happy to help you find the perfect floor plan for you in one of Lennar's communities. This is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property, and thanks for watching, guys.